Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are going to learn how to find the area of surface generated by rotating the given parametric curve around y-axis and in this range. So I have already written the formula for area of surface. So basically it is integration from a to b 2 pi x multiply by under root of dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square, and we have to integrate it with respect to t. Since the limit of t is given, so this is basically a and this is basically b. So we have got the value of a and b. Now x is given in the form of t, and we can find dx by dt by differentiating the function x with respect to t. So it will become 60. Now we can similarly we can differentiate the y with respect to t again, so it will become 6t square. So if we will just square and add this term, so what it will become? So it will become 36 t square plus 36 t to the power 4, and we have to take the under root of this. So if we will take 36 t square common from this, so it will become 6t under root of 1 plus t square. Now we will use this term in this formula. So we know that integration is from 0 to 5, so 2 pi x. So x is basically 3t square, because we have to just write in the form of t, because we are integrating it with respect to t. So x is 3t square, and this term we have calculated here, so it will become 6t multiplied by 1 plus t square, and we have to integrate it with respect to t. So if we will solve this, so we know that 0 to 5 and 2 pi will be 6 3 18 plus 18 multiplied by 36 pi will be thrown out. So 36 pi will be thrown out because these are constants. Integration from 0 to pi, it will become t cube. So t cube we can write as t square multiplied by t, and we can write this as 1 plus t square to the power 1 by 2. So here we need substitution, we will use substitution. So we have to assume 1 plus t square as u. So we know that t dt is equal to du by 2, and if we will change the limit, so if we will put t is equal to 0, so it will become u is equal to 1, and if we will put t is equal to 5, then u will become 26, because 5 square plus 1 26. So while changing the limit, it will become 36 pi, and this is represent from 1 to 26. So basically t square we can written as y u minus 1 multiply by 1 plus t square, so it will become u to the power 1 by 2, and t dt, so t dt is du by 2. So if we will take the constant outside, it will become 18 pi. Limit is from 1 to 26. So now this is linear integration, so we have to multiply this root u inside. So it will become u to the power 3 by 2 minus u to the power 1 by 2, and we have to integrate it. So it will become 18 pi. This will be, by power rule we can integrate this. So this will become u to the power 5 by 2 divided by u to the power 5 by 2 minus u to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. And limit are from 1 to 26. So this is 18 pi. This will become 2 by 5. So this will become 26 to the power 5 by 2 minus 1. This will become 2 by 3. This will become 26 to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. So this is the final answer, and now we can solve this. If we want the exact answer in the decimal form, we can solve this by using calculator. So basically we have to remember the formula of revolution around y-axis, means to which axis the revolution is taking place. It may be x-axis, y-axis, or any other axis which can be aligned also, like y plus x is equal to 3, maybe inclined 45 degree, or any angle theta to the x-axis. So this is the formula, and we have to just familiar with the simple integration process like substitution. So we can write here substitute. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website. That is, link is given below in the description. And you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.